bit more excuse me, off-trail riding to see just how good this image stabilization is. Holy crap, bud. Look how fucking high that water is. Normally during the summer, this entire section right here, whoop, is dry, and as you can see, it is completely and utterly water. I can't tell how many times I've ridden my bike across this section. And you can almost see right about there through those trees is where I normally go on the other side and go on this little island. It's across there, but I really don't see myself getting there right now. So again, logging off for right now. I'm gonna have to see you later. I'm gonna clip these together a little bit later. So I'll be back at some point because, well, it is already 7 p.m. Goddamn. Gotta turn around at some point, though I might just continue this way and loop back around. Have to see. Have fun.